Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NOKIA G42 and let me share with you how to reset up preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings and here let's tap on apps. Now we have to tap on the see all 30 apps and tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's tap on Reset Up Preferences, and here your device is informing you that it will reset the preferences for, among others, for default applications for actions, any permission restrictions, and battery usage settings. What is more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so simply tap on Reset Apps, and basically this is it. So thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.